Honeywell Home TRV balancing app. We select Honeywell Home V2000 SX. Then we select the radiator model, let's say steel panel radiator. Inlet temperature is the supply temperature. For a condensing boiler, it can be 60 degrees Celsius. The outlet temperature is the return temperature, with the delta T of 20. We can have here the return temperature 40. Delta P is the available pressure differential across the radiator. You calculate this delta P with the formula described in the text or email that you received with this video, and you enter this delta P here. Let's assume we have here 15 kilopascals. Then we enter the radiator type. Let's assume it's a 22 type. Height, let's say 600. Width, let's say 1000. And we got a presetting 2 for this TRV of this radiator. We repeat this procedure for each radiator of the system, then we get the necessary presetting.